So for this problem, it's a little bit longer, but it's very simple. We have to basically find the acceleration since this is not a problem in equilibrium. So how we go ahead and do that is that we first find all the separate forces that are here present in this, the frictional forces of the boxes versus the sides and such. So the first one is for that 9 kilogram box, the first equation. The second is for the 4 kilogram box, and the third is for that 6 kilogram box. Now that we have all of these equations together, we simplify. The 40 cosine of 30 is 20, and that 60 sine of 30 is 30. So then now we can do is there's a lot of like terms here, so we just go ahead and add them all together, 1, 2, and 3, and that equals this equation here, as we can see, which equals 19a. Now we want to solve for a, so we have to make sure to simplify everything else. So we have 9 times 10 is 90, minus 50 equals 19a. Then we have 19a equals 40, and then we leave the a isolated, so we divide by 19, and the a is approximately 2.10 meters per second squared, which is 2.1 meters per second squared in this answer.